Good afternoon, Grandpa. Good afternoon, Grandpa. I mean, Grandpa.
Papa. So.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Jennifer. I'm looking for a man.
Please. To what? You take your time. Okay?
Okay.
Don't rush. Put your hands down and talk to me because I'm a man, old man.
Yes.
I'm older than you. I'll not give you pressure. Relax and greet me and take your time to talk one by one. That's why I understand you. Separate them for me, okay? Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Can I get you?
No. I'm fine. Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
I'll bring you chair.
No, don't worry.
Sit down.
I'm good. Thank you.
I like your teeth. Your teeth be beautiful, damn.
Thank you.
You see my teeth be destroyed. Then you hash it. I'm help you.
Yes, I'm looking for a man.
A man?
Yeah, he is fair in complexion.
Lord fair.
Fair in complexion.
How much is that? One wonder.
He is fair in color.
Oh, okay. Color.
Yes.
Oh, okay. The body color.
Yes, he is fair in complexion. A little bit on the tall side.
Library.
He's on the tall side. A little bit. He's a little bit tall.
Adiawa.
Yes.
Oh, okay. A little bit tall. Okay.
Yes. He is my brother. And the thing is, he came from abroad and he hasn't been home. No, he hasn't been home.
When's he?
Yes, he hasn't been home.
No. Oh, okay.
My mom, my dad, my siblings, nobody knows he is here. But I had information that he lives in this house. Somebody told me.
Information center?
No, I had an information. Somebody told me.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Yes, that he lives in this house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm here to confirm.
Yes.
Yes, in this house.
How about the honey baby? Such and Ponchi. I know, man.
He lives in this house.
Yes.
But please, is there anybody like that in this house?
But we see my problem. I'm older. We know my situation. But if you speak that I've related to me right now, I'm not understand. Take your time and restart for me one by one. Separate them one by one. Understand? Restart.
Please, as I said, he came from abroad. Yes, and none of my family members know he is in town.
Nobody.
My mom, my siblings,
Sister,
my dad,
siblings.
nobody.
Well,
but I had an information in town. Yes, that he is living in this house.
Is it here?
Yes.
The man,
Yes.
tall man,
Yeah, fair.
have lalas here.
What is that?
Lalas, do you know lalas?
What is lalas?
Pubic hair black.
Pubic hair.
Last back.
Pubic hair.
From you to.
Yeah, he has black hair.
Yes, I know. You look as the same face.
Yes, he's my brother.
Wonderful family. You look as Stembasa. You need Stembasa. Marcelita, Tata, Chocolata, Tata. Some of the toi. Money, Karika.
Grandpa, please, this is a serious matter. I really need to know if he really lives in this house.
Oh, yes.
He is here?
Yes. That room.
Which one?
The last curtains.
That one over there?
Yeah, the curtains. I don't know the color. Asane, that color. Yeah, you sit here, okay? Allah Akbar.
Pakwisi, So he really lives in this
Yes, we live here.
Grandpa, thank you so much.
Thank you too.
I'll come back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bring me your number, please. Your number. Wow. Question they will be Sammy. My number there. Oh no, no. Coming in there's a catch where Bagaw. Ufa butcher na brent one coffee winning was say. Near would your betcha behind a more by Bessian and the tia. And that's why I didn't. More by idea. When be a swammy. Befa sabu go feel coffee. I'm a benyasem. Message to down more so as I can walk. Up to me fear. And yepa. Away. Dapu. I'm one very young, and one your fury. Never go for so they win your radio. You come in Konoko. And the cow on the ice and go. I was simple. I'll go with any massage them. I'll buy 4 yak. Emma. Once you're bowing in a check. Then I'm a couple of fools. But boom, see a jing to say. I jab off a mechanic as when they. Then you be Addis, Addy. They cut old time as I say.